Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Population of a town increases by 2% every year. If current population of the town is 9 lakh, find the population of town after 2 years. Now look at the situation. Population of town increases 2% every year. So after the end of first year, the population will be already increased by 2%. And for to calculate the population at the end of second year, we'll need to consider this modified increased population for second year. So this is nothing but compounding of the population. So population increase is following compounding. So compounding of population is happening here. So we can use the compound interest formula for population increase. So that will be compound increase in population. So let's see. Final amount, instead of that will be modified or increased population equal to P multiplied by 1 plus R by 100, because this is getting compounded every year to the power T, where amount is representing modified increased population. This is to be found out. Principal here is representing current population, which is given as 9 lakh. R is rate of increase in population, rate of increase in population, which is given as 2% per annum, and time is given as 2 years. We have to find the increase in population in 2 years. So to find increased population, we have to simply put the values here. So we get 9 lakh multiplied by 1 plus 2 by 100 to the power 2, which can be written as 9 lakh multiplied by 102 by 100 to the power 2. I have simply taken LCM here. So that will be 9 lakh multiplied by 102 square divided by 100 square is 10,000. So these zeros cancel out, and 102 square we can find by using a plus b whole square formula, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, 100 plus 2 whole square. Right? So answer will be 10,000 plus 400 plus 4, which is 10,404. So 90 multiplied by 10,404. So let's see, that will be 9 fours are 36, 9 fours are 36, 9 ones are 9. So the modified population, increased population will be 9,36,360. Modified increased population is equal to 9,36,360. This is the answer.